Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about Pascal triangle in our video. Though Pascal triangle has been asked in Google, Amazon, but trust me, it is the most simple question if you know the concept. So let's discuss the concept first. What is Pascal triangle? The Pascal triangle means? So I'll start with writing 1 over here. And the next thing I'll do is to copy this 1 on my left side as well as right side. Same thing I'll do for next row. I'll copy this on left side as well as right side. But for the middle number, I'll take this 1 and this 1 and do addition. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now for the next row, I'll copy this 1 to the left side as well as right side. Then for the middle number, I'll take this 1 and 2 and do the addition. 3. Same, I will do the addition of 2 and 1, 3. Then for the next row, I'll copy this number 1 and 1 to the left and right side. Then I'll take this 1 plus 3 as 4. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 plus 1 as 4. Then for the next row, I'll copy the left and right side as 1. Then I'll do the same operation. We'll take this 1 plus 4 as 5. 4 plus 6 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly, it will goes on. Hence, it will make a triangle which is said to be a Pascal triangle. And I will get this triangle. So as to write a program, we will shift the number at the left side. So that this is 1, we will get at left side 1, then 1, 1, as here it will be written. Now what I'll do, I'll define the rows and the columns. For columns, we will define J, and for rows, we will have I. With this, if we see this series of numbers carefully, here you can see whenever this j is equal to 0, we have all the ones. So I can write the algo just by seeing these series of numbers. Whenever j is equal to 0, we will have all the ones. This is our first algorithm. Then for the second point, if you see it carefully, whenever I is equal to 0 with j is equal to 0, there is 1. When I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, we have again 1. When I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2, again 1. So I can say whenever I is equal to j, we have 1 defined over here. As you can see, these are all diagonal points. So up to here, whenever j is equal to 0, we have 1 for the first column. Then all the diagonal elements will have 1. And the most important point is this 2. How it came? By addition of its above number and its leftmost number. So we can say if I is equal to 2, so for defining this 2, I minus 1 and j is the same one for which we have to define. So j, and for having this number, we can say I minus 1, as it is the one above row, we can say I minus 1 and its last column, it is j minus 1. Similarly for 3, I need to take out this 2, I minus 1, j minus 1. And for 1, it will be one row before and the same column. This is our column and this is for our row. So the third point in our algorithm will be to define this number will be I minus 1 j plus I minus 1 j minus 1. So these 3 points will constitute the whole program. Let us see by writing a program on PyCharm. So for this I'll go to PyCharm. Here we will start with writing function def Pascal underscore triangle, and here we will define our input, which we will define it as m. So m will be the number of input. Let's say I want the Pascal triangle with 5 number of rows. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up to this we can have a Pascal triangle. Then we will define a list inside list in which we will store the number. So we will define a small a is equal to a list within list for I in range are m. Now the first most thing, we need to define the rows. So I'll take the variable I for I in range up to m. Then number of columns for j in range. Here we will define up to I, because here it is terminating whenever I is equal to j. When I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, this is the terminating point for second number of row. So it is simply terminating at when I is equal to j. Here I can write I plus 1. As in Python, we always take one number extra as it is starting from 0. So these are the pattern series. If you're feeling any confusion in numerical patterns, so I have a series on Python numerical patterns with star triangles, any numerical pattern, you can go through this. Now coming back to our question, the first point of our algorithm was whenever a column is equal to 0, it should have 1, as we have seen here. For this column is equal to 0. So let's write in a program. Here we will define with if j is less than I. Here either it will be 0. If j is equal to 0, our list should be appended with 1. So I can write ai should be appended with 1. Now the second part of our algorithm, we need to define for our diagonal points. Whenever I is equal to j, we will have 1. So the second point, if I is equal to j, our list should be appended with 1. So here we have defined the condition. When j is less than I, here for elif, when j is equal to I, ai should be appended with 1. Now the third condition of our algorithm, for this 3, we need to have a number before in our row and a number before in row as well as column. So for 2, it will be I minus 1 j minus 1, so that we will get 2, and a number before this row will be I minus 1 and in the same column j. Now the third condition, let's take it in else part. Obviously the column will be less than I, so here I'll write ai dot append first the row before, so it will have ai minus 1 and the j as it is in the same column, and the addition for a minus 1 and j minus 1. And then we need to return a. Now let's call the function Pascal triangle and m, where m is equal to 5. So let's run the program. Oops, I forgot to print over here. So I'll write print and let's run the program. And here we got 1, then 1, 1 in the list. Here we have maintained this in list within list. Then 1, 2, 1, then 1, 3, 3, 1. Similarly, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And our both list column will be closed. As you can see, we are getting all the j is equal to 0 as 1, and whenever I is equal to j for diagonal elements, it is also 1. So this is how we can write program on Pascal triangle. For this Python code, I will give in the GitHub link, which is in the description below. And please friends, like my video. And if you want me to discuss any concept, do let me know in the comment. So do comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.